Just a native. You smile again for me? You smile again for me? Come on. Just a native. Just a native. Hey. Hey there, son. Justin.